wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good YouTube gang, your boy Jambisco back with a mad reaction and a bad reaction. Not a sad reaction, you see what I deal with today. Yeah man guys, we're there. Back in the music lab, Dan Mafia. You see me over there with the artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, we're there with the Ratty Gang boss. We're there with Mr. Mana Rockstar, Mr. London Dan. You see me? We're there with the artist, the Ratty Gang boss, man. Artist that's no stranger to the channel. Been reacting in from the dark. You see me? From the dark career start. You see me on a job too, we've been reacting to the dog. You see me? Yeah man, and you see me and talk about today, man. We're back with Skeng, dog. You see me? He teased a music video like what, a day or two ago. You see me? Like you shooting a new music video where everybody looking out for it, but nobody knows exactly what it is. I woke up this morning actually looking for that song. Thought I was like, oh, he didn't drop it, but apparently he just dropped it about an hour ago. You feel me? I guess while I'm doing all the reactions, so we're gonna check it out and see what dog I do with. Seems like a lot of people was anticipating this song. You feel me? So a lot of people was looking out for it because they think it's gonna be a hit or what. So, but we want to find out. You see me? I don't know, so Skeng is very dope and very lyrical and full of style. The man is an entertainer. You see me? The last controversy he was in is the other day he did a performance and he was drinking out his shoe. Everybody going crazy, call him nasty, all of that. But you gotta remember, Skeng is an entertainer, you know. And the man don't tell us him a rock star, you know, like him a Elvis. You see me? So all of those stuff that Skeng be doing, that's all entertainment, man, living like a real rock star. You see me? Yeah man, but yeah man. He dropped a song like an hour ago entitled Shalalala. You see me? So we're going to check it out and see what dog I deal with. And apparently it's on the Big Bunks rhythm. Or it's Big Bunks' rhythm. We're going to check it out and see what dog I deal with, man. You see me? But hopefully it's a vibe. Hopefully the energy and everything, you know what I'm saying, is vibes. Because right now, we're up on the bad man thing and the type of thing with a vibe to look for. You see me? Ever since Both Cloud, Drift and DeMarcus Junker, niggas looking for a vibe song. You see me? Roger Wild. Wait, is this on the same? I think this is on the same rhythm as Roger Wild Out Tonight. I think. I'm not sure. I'm going to check it out and see what I'm going. But you don't know. So what I do to the guy. We're not going to hold up the vibes much longer. I jump right in and try. This is Skeng. Shalalala. Let's get it.
Big pussy girl that play my body, share.
Yeah, bro. It sounds like it's the same rhythm as Roger Wild Out.
Answer me pussy.
Yeah man, it sounds like, I think this is the same rhythm as Roger Wild Out, right? But since Roger Wild came on Wild Out, you see me? He took this rhythm to another level. Everybody wanna hop on this motherfucker, you see me?
That's like junker. I want it now, yeah, I want everything. Get a big pussy motherfucker, send 100 gang that will get now.
She gonna say, big pussy girl, that's motherfucker, want it now. Tell you a big pussy. And the woman mother has style like, hey, want some more everything. This is everything now.
Hear that? It's not coming come kill everybody up in yard.
I wonder what's going on.
Sunday morning, my car market, my buy honey and tomato and jolly. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm a coming in my house and bow honey. I want to get your mother run the fuck.
Alright, oh, I see where you going for, man. So one Sunday morning, me go, man, market, me buy 2 pound of rice, garlic, now the gal can't tell me say she honey. Yo, clad. Alright. Me see, that's just the beginning. Me see if dog or a billow go. Dog rock some beads down here. You see me? You know, say Jamaican style. Nobody go say, oh, that's little yardist and that's Jamaicans been doing this shit long time. I chew me now my ear no more than dog. Killing with some style, no dog. Yo, Jaja.
Honey, so said, your mother run the fat punani. Number 1 gunman. Punani nothing and me must do with the top, but kill it with jam.
Everyone said, number 1 gunman. Punani nothing yam, but if you wet it and kill it with jam. You know, you hear that? Cause someone you low nowadays, you know.
Punani never chew, we not touch certain road, pum never chew.
We not set certain rule, pum nothing chew, brother. I'm told man. Come out on a nasty licky habit. I'm told
me a go eat and a meat like a freak. Should I chop it like a chick? I'm a 4 galore. Outdoor pan a tour, me a look few. If you take the gas floor, fly elastic, call me bombastic. She can do the 24 up stick. Up and down, she bump on my cock. She about the 24 up stick.
Hey, easy mama about to go. go crazy, I know. I'm about to go crazy now, like a shot. And you don't know me feel about woman and woman whining. I love see woman and whining in the dark. She does it. Watch this. Come on.
Top 1, 2, 3 green light. Girl, you put on in the first and I'm on the bright lights. Give me stop, but so when you tight.
Girl, let me go on good, man. Bumbo blood clot, man. Yeah, man, I love see woman and whine up himself, you know. Blood clot, girl, shape good and everything and thing. Bumbo, all of them. Yeah, man, yeah, hey.
I like it bright, me stealing in my type.
Girl, look like
From
rebel
the
though.
first sight, me know this time. You see we when the textile out and bright.
Battery ride and
Second
bumbo
run
shot.
by my mind by anything in life and I did it done right. Since Sunday morning, me dey market. So set on money, them stop call me.
Jamaican woman always slim and look nice, you know, man. Bumbo clot, yeah, I'm sure good now, bumbo. I know pretty girl there, no dog. Yeah, man. Yeah, no good at fuck. Come on.
Some a bird do you want all if you want coming on me house and bow she honey. I wanna get the girl run the fat punani. Honey. The girl run the fat punani. Girl all the pink and stink and in the bread me water in 5 bills can't pay your ring bill.
Easy no money, yellow man going on mine in the kitchen and cooking, shaking her ass now, body rider, blood clad. When I see shot cam in your body, eh? Stars can't go that man, Jaja.
Jim Bill, Banana, Giant, the Advil. Who send him go running, send my ghost go down in. Alright, yalla, mama, dumma, chama, Anna, none, pussy, what's up? Give in my cousin, Anna, nothing, some fuck up, pocket till the pussy, but you made her, and I do the love up.
You mean fuck it till the pum burn your blood clad. Fire in your hole, girl, come on.
Go yeah, guard yourself, get them mill up in the sky and the big friend. Go yeah, guard yourself, in the bar, girl, think that in your chin. Bad, think I chatting, think I potato for the badness, eh?
Facts. Think of chattings, eh? Think of potato pudding badness this year, what I am to you. Go easy your blood play itself, you see me?
There's a bad bitch in the ring, shalalala. There's a bad bitch in the ring, shalalala.
Okay. Are you going to get Rosie dog on you? Okay. I ain't get the title from you. There's a bad bitch in the ring. Shalalala. Hey, dog, go back to ring Rosie days. Blood class. Easy Skeng. Yeah, man, dog, I use the childhood games and I make blood class song. What you mean, man? Yeah, man. Girl, them go on, man. You see me, girl, them looking good, body healthy, and sitting. You see, shots couldn't go woman body shot. Woman shake no blood, woman shake like three limb. Yeah, man, that was a dope ass track, very fun track. Skeng, big up yourself. You see me, the girls, I'm gonna love that one. I would say it's a summer song, but summer is over, ain't it? Yeah, man, summer is over, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But nevertheless, the girl, them gonna love that one. Yeah, man, dope track. Girl, I'm go on with them thing. Girl, them look good, shape good. You see me body good and thing. See me them out. You see me and say, so man feel look good and thing, belly flat and thing and. You see me? Yeah, man, full of them clothes and thing whining. Yeah, I'm love to girl whining on my yard. Yeah, man, whining. Yeah, woman, Jamaican Island girl can whine. Yeah, that's a way to my heart right there. You see me? Yeah, man, a woman know when for your vibes and when for them thing there. Yeah, man. Yeah. Them girl, yeah. Always winning. But yeah, man, guys, I don't know what time it is. I was Skeng, Shalalala. Yeah, see me. Let me know one thing about that one day. Yeah, see me. What was your favorite part, leagues, beat, melody, all that? Especially if you're a girl, let me know if you like that song. You see, if you're a girl watching this, let me know how much you like that song and what was your favorite part. You see me? Let's chop it up in the comment section. That was definitely for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? The guys gonna like that too, because you gonna like to play for woman. You know what I'm saying? But that was definitely the ladies track, man. You know what I'm saying? Skeng doing his thing, keeping the fun in the dance hall and all that stuff. Yeah, man. Bad tune. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So yeah, man, guys, that was it. That was Skeng, Shalalala. Just dropped like an hour ago. Skeng doing his thing on the track, man. Real dope artist, real dope song. I want to say it's just in time for the summer. The summer song was summer over. You see me? But the gal them definitely gonna love this one, man. Girls, I hope you enjoy it. Wine at the club once the gal them go crazy. The DJ them for play the new tune them and all that stuff, man. Keep the thing going. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, real dope track from Skeng. Skeng, you don't know. Dance I love Skeng already. You see me? And he's growing. He's doing his thing, giving you a different variety of tune and all that stuff. But he's doing his thing, man. You know what I'm saying? So Like that track. I know the girls gonna love that one. Just drop in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. All that stuff. Let's chop it up. Let's get a discussion going, man. We vibing. You see me? On the road to 10K, on the road to 100K, on the road to 1 million. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, guys. Until next time, you don't know your boy Jambisco. I was here tonight, hitting and smashing a banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.